In a surprising turn of events, SpaceX's Starlink, the satellite internet service that once promised to revolutionize connectivity, is now facing backlash from the very customers it aimed to serve. The controversy stems from a recent decision to discontinue the free pause service feature, which allowed users to halt their internet service when not in use, without any additional costs. This move has left many feeling betrayed, as Starlink replaces the feature with a paid alternative known as Standby Mode. Standby Mode, priced at $5 per month, introduces a new dynamic to the service. While it does come with perks such as unlimited low-speed data, texting, calls, and instant reactivation in emergencies, the introduction of a fee has sparked mixed reactions. Some customers view this as a direct. The original pause feature was straightforward. It allowed users to maintain their connection without incurring monthly charges, akin to having a reserved seat on the Starlink network. This was particularly appealing to those who valued the ability to reconnect at any time, a feature that was a cornerstone of the service's appeal. The shift to standby mode, however, has left many questioning the company's commitment to its initial vision. One of the main concerns is the potential for additional fees if users let their subscriptions lapse. Starlink's support documents suggest that reactivating roam services could come with an activation fee, adding to the financial burden. Moreover, there's a growing worry about the service's availability, as Starlink continues to expand globally, potentially limiting the number of new customers it can accommodate. The discontent among customers is further fueled by changes to the roam service pricing. Previously, users could opt for a $10 per month plan with 10 gigabytes of data. But now, the cheapest option starts at $50 per month for 50 gigabytes. This sudden shift has left many feeling misled, especially those who were promised the $10 plan as a temporary measure to prevent cancellations. Overnight, the option for the $10 plan vanished, leaving users with no choice but to accept the more expensive alternative. This isn't the first time Starlink has faced criticism. Previous studies suggested that Starlink satellites might have adverse effects on the ozone layer, raising environmental concerns. However, the current issue is particularly significant because it directly impacts the community that has supported Starlink's growth. Many feel that the company has engaged in a bait-and-switch tactic, prioritizing profit over customer satisfaction. As the debate continues, it remains to be seen how Starlink will address these concerns and whether it can regain the trust of its disillusioned customers.